Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at a Diffle puzzle. This is a Wordle, but we don't know how long the word is. So I like to start with a word that's got all the vowels in, and we'll go back to facetious again today. And it gives me quite a lot of information. Wow, we get a green C, E and I. That means they appear in the word in that order, and the C and the E are joined together, so that means they're consecutive in the word. We've also got a yellow A, that means it's in the word, but it's not in the right position. So in this case, it has to be somewhere after the CE, but we don't know if it's before or after the I. So this is interesting because we've got to use all three of those vowels, E, A, I, but not an O or a U. We could have duplicated E's, A's, I's and C's. We don't know yet, but none of the A's, if there are more than one, can be before the CE. Now CE, it's much more common at the end of a word, like an ANCE, ending like ambulance or dance. Clearly that's not the case here. Could be exce, as in exceptional. Can't specifically be exceptional, of course. What are we going to do with the I and A, though? It could be an IAL ending. Centennial, something along those lines, again without using the T. Interesting. Something? I'm thinking of reception, aren't I, or receptacle. Why does everything I think of have a T in it? I suppose it could just be something like that. Receivable? Is that likely to be correct? Probably not, but let's see if it accepts it. It did accept it, and it's given us a little bit more information. The A is still yellow, so that means it has to be between the E and the I. And we have also been given an R. So we've basically got that sequence. The R might be before the A or the I, of course. Again, it just looks like it's going to be certain, but we've ruled out the T. Why is it so difficult to think of words that have not got a T in it? That pattern. Ceramic? I mean, it is plausible. It is correct. Wow, what a tricky one. It was a CE beginning. I was convinced there was going to be something else before it, but there wasn't. And we got it in only 3 total guesses. Not very quick, but not very many guesses, which is what we like. That is Diffle. Thank you for watching.